NationGate Solution is a electronic manufacturing services provider, or EMS, and we have been providing this service to the various segments in the world market. We are looking forward to start our journey in Industry 4.0 with ViTrox. I believe this collaboration will bring great benefits to NationGate.
We are having a limitation of centralized data monitoring and auto fine-tuning in our existing system.
Previously, we have to manually collect data from each machine and compile analysis accordingly. It was very time-consuming and resource-dependent.
We can now easily monitor machine performance from control room or anywhere. I am now able to visualize the machine utilization rate, plan the resources, and preventive maintenance.
We can now easily finalize false calls from the machine and react immediately. The implementation of V1 improved real-time information for analysis and preventive maintenance.
Data analysis, a fully configurable SPC tools for us to analyze machine data more efficiently.
I like the status monitoring feature whereby machine activities and utilization can be tracked in real time.
Yes, we are very confident of partnership with ViTrox because we have observed stable and proven outcome in our production lines.
V1 is flexible and customized to our needs.
My answer is yes. We are happy and impressed with V1. The support team is very caring and attend to our requests promptly.